Valuable advice on starting in affiliate marketing. If you want to create a business that you can succeed at for long periods of time through affiliate marketing, then you want to always educate yourself with new tips. Learning new methods you can apply toward becoming successful with affiliate marketing is a great way to ensure that you are taking the right steps, so take some time to read through the tips provided in this video. Do not be afraid to try different programs. If you don't like one, try another. Check out things like payment structures, what each program provides, and how you can benefit. There is also no need to just go with bigger networks. Try viewing your favorite vendors to see what they offer. Most importantly, your website content must be up to par. Your website will never get quality traffic if you are not targeting the consumer with information that is relevant and informative. An affiliate program will never work if you do not get good traffic directed through your site at a constant pace. Do not waste your time on products that are only offering commissions of 5 to 10%. You can hold out for larger commissions of 20 to 50%. And with the way this type of marketing works, it's usually the better products offering the larger commissions, and better products sell a lot easier than cheaper products. One of the best ways to increase your productivity in affiliate marketing is to consistently double down on what's working and permanently removing what isn't. If you want to profit big, you cannot afford to sit around and wait for a slow-moving method to pick up. Find which methods work the best and increase their presence. The tips in this video should have helped you think about ways to create or improve on your affiliate marketing business goals. If you are feeling the tips in here as a whole are overwhelming to remember, then re-watch this video. You want to make sure you remember these tips so you can actually apply them. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.